Ever wondered why cracking your knuckles could feel so satisfying? And is it really safe? Let me explain. So, when you crack your joints, you're not actually breaking anything. The noise comes from gas bubbles collapsing in your joint fluid, a process called cavitation. This releases tension in the joint, which is why it feels so good. But is this really bad for you? Studies show that occasional cracking of the joints is actually good for you and does not cause arthritis despite the myths. However, if you feel pain while cracking, it could be a red flag and I would advise you to get it checked.